Snow, and this is Gas and Go.
All right, welcome to another episode of Gas and Go with Snow. What we're going to do right now is we're going to take a look at the inside of a Tesla Cybertruck. So tell us what we're looking at here. So,
hey, how you doing? My name's Alan. Yeah, here we got a dual motor Foundation Series Cybertruck, actually even wrapped by Tesla.
So the wrap was actually done at Tesla?
Yes. One inclination that you can see when it's done by Tesla is when they have
I see the
Foundation
sticker.
sticker. Yeah, that is an inclination that was done by Tesla.
Okay.
So yeah, this is pretty much it. Dual motor Foundation Series.
Yeah, well, let's jump in there and tell me about the inside.
Let's see what we got. Yeah. So here we got the UI. Right now it is in service mode. Pretty much we got functionalities that make this truck unique. It's four-wheel steering. Obviously the angular design.
Yeah. Well, the four-wheel steering was really cool. I saw when you were putting it on the lift, the whole truck was like kind of moving. The whole thing
it's
was
very. The only way I can describe it, it's very squirrely for the first time if you're driving it. It's very nimble. One thing you'll notice. Well, let's take a look. The steering wheel only turns 140 degrees.
Oh wow! And that's locked to lock.
This is a steer-by-wire system.
Hey, check this out. Look at that. Okay, so
140 degrees, lock to lock,
and that's max.
That is max. This is obviously another thing that makes this truck unique. Is it is steer-by-wire. There's no mechanical linkage.
Yeah. So that means you got to have like triple redundancy there for safety purposes.
Yes, it does.
Okay.
So there's that. And obviously it's a pretty polarizing design. I mean,
yeah, well, it's very Spartan. There's like nothing in here except this.
Yeah,
and the wheel.
Pretty minimalist.
So I don't see signal levers. I mean, how do you change?
So we
directions?
got stock controls are right here.
Oh, check that out.
Right.
Okay, then you get
a UI. You get a UI visual left.
Okay.
Still got a center horn. On the P2s, or we call them plaids at the moment. At the early designs, it was a button as well. A lot of people weren't thrilled about that. So now there is a retrofit for that.
Okay.
But yeah, it's pretty much everything's less tactile with no buttons and whatnot.
Yeah.
But it's
and
all
this
here.
windshield is huge.
Yeah, this is the biggest production windshield at any manufacturer.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely.
There's a fair amount of room in here.
Yeah, these. Let's go in the back. This buttons up as well. So these come up right here. You can just go ahead and there's a little lever right here. Yeah, you see a little pull string kind of little pull string that goes up.
And that's it.
So you do got room here. You got the tonneau cover.
I reckon you can get a motorcycle back there.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, and it rolls all the way down so
Yes,
you can
it does.
see out the back. Yeah.
This will drop down to this is soft opening. Obviously it doesn't close manually, but yeah.
All right.
It's all there.
All right. Well, there's the inside of a Tesla.
That is the first
Cybertruck.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
All right. Well, hey, thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. Hey, we'll see you guys next time on Gas and Go with Snow.
Take care.